Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Traffic Escape game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you haven't installed the Traffic Escape game on your device already, then all you need to do is open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device and tap on the search box and simply search for Traffic Escape. Once you find the game, simply tap on the install button and wait until the installation is completed. Once it is done, you will see the play button, so you can simply tap on it. As soon as you tap on the open button, it will immediately start the game and you can begin to play immediately. So this means that you will not need to sign up or create any accounts in order to play this game. And there you have it. That is all you need to know about signing up for the Traffic Escape game on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.